Criselda, have you heard from Noreen and Shari? I haven't heard from them.
Hindi din po sila sumasagot sa tawag.
I just want to know the update. Ano nangyari sa meeting nila with Tara Park?
By the way, Miss V, may dumating po kayong parcel.
I never ordered anything online.
Baka may nagpadala lang po sa inyo. Excuse me.
Marmari Express. Marie Armales. Po.
But tinan mo, if you compare this quarter to the last
Eddie.
one, Han, what are you doing here?
I would like to request everyone to leave the room. Meeting adjourned.
Gentlemen, give us 5 minutes, please. Bago, what is this about? Importante yung meeting na to.
Mas importante kaysa dito?
What is this? Saan mo nakuha to?
Someone sent it to me.
Then who has a copy of this video? I already made sure na hindi ito makakalabas. Pinasira ko na lahat ng kopya.
Obviously, hindi lahat. May nakakaalam pa at may nakakakita pa.
Who the hell's Marie Armani?